In this video, we are going to look at the summary of formulas for basic linear equations. Let me get a good color. All right, so the first one we're going to talk about that I use all the time is point slope form when you're given any point and any slope m. I forgot to add and slope m. So if I had the points 1, 2, and 3, 5, and I wanted to find the equation of the line between these 2 points, first I need to find the slope. So that's 5 minus 2, 3 minus 1, so that's 3 over 2. And then I take the points y1 and x1 and y1. I can speak. Sorry. And substitute. So I leave the first y alone, and then I subtract the 2. I go equals, my slope is 3/2 times x, I leave that alone, minus x1, which is 1. So now I solve it out. And I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So that's y equals 3/2 x plus, so this is going to be 4/2. So that is plus 1/2. And that is our line. I know I kind of flew by that, but it is a review, and you can always watch this video as many times as you need to. You can also look up how to form linear equations using the point slope form on the internet. Another one we use often is the slope-intercept form. It's called the slope-intercept form because it has a slope and the y-intercept. So if I had an m equals 3 and a b equals 2, that is y equals 3x plus 2. We can also use the slope-intercept form when we have a point. We have a point like, say, 3, 5. And I want to find the slope-intercept form of that line. So I go y equals 5. M, we don't know the m. X is 3 plus the b. Oh, we would need to know the m. We'll say m is the 3/2 again. So 5 equals 3/2 times 3 plus b. Now I'm going to use all these numbers to find what b is. 5 equals 9/2 plus b. I'm going to subtract 9/2. Now this is 10/2. So that is 1/2 equals b. So my y-intercept is 1/2. Okay? The general or standard form of an equation is ax plus by equals c. We can use this to find intercepts or have intercepts. We can go, let's look at an example. We have 4x minus 6y equals 10. So I can find the x-intercept. So that's when y equals 0 and we have an x. And the y-intercept when we have an x equals 0 and we have a y. So I just substitute 4x minus 6 times 0 equals 10. So 4x equals 10. X equals 10/4 or 5/2. For the y-intercept, you do the same thing. 4 times 0 minus 6y equals 10. Negative 6y equals 10. Y equals negative 10 over 6, or it equals negative 5/3. And those are our intercepts. Each one of these forms of the linear equation help us find different aspects of these linear equations differently. But again, we're really only going to be using slope-intercept form and point-slope form. So just a note, horizontal and vertical lines, x equals a is a vertical line, y equals b is a horizontal line. So this looks like, here's our xy coordinate, here is x equals a, and that is a vertical line that passes through a, if I could actually draw, and here's b, and it's a horizontal line passing through b. And that is the end of the slideshow. That is the end of this video. There are other videos to watch. I do believe this is 2 out of 3.